At Anton's Air Conditioning and Heating, we roll out the red carpet for our customers. We have the experience, knowledge, and dedication to customer service that you need to keep your home or business cool in the summer and warm in the winter. With over 30 years in business, an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and Angie's List, combined with a team of NATE certified technicians, it's no wonder that homes throughout St. Louis are kept comfy by Anton's. Whether you need service or a repair on an existing system, or a brand new system altogether, call Anton's to discuss what options are best to meet the needs of your family, home, and budget. Anton's Air Conditioning and Heating, the first name in home comfort featuring Carrier. Turn to the experts.